Are you trying to manage your money better? Today, we are comparing three popular budgeting tools: YNAB, Everydollar, and Budgetbakers Wallet. Each of these can help you keep track of your finances, but they do it in different ways. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, focuses on giving every dollar a job. It encourages users to plan ahead and prioritize spending. With YNAB, you can set goals and see where your money goes each month. Everydollar takes a simpler approach. It offers a clean layout for easy budget creation. You can quickly add expenses and track your spending. It's designed for those who want a straightforward way to budget without too many bells and whistles. Budget Baker's wallet combines features from both tools. It allows for easy tracking of expenses and income, and it also offers insights into your spending habits. This tool is great for those who want a bit more detail in their budgeting. Now, let's look at the key differences. YNAB is all about proactive budgeting, while Everydollar is more about ease of use. Budget Baker Wallet offers a mix of both, providing detailed insights without being too complex. When it comes to features, YNAB has powerful goal setting tools and detailed reports. Everydollar is great for quick budget creation and tracking. Budget Baker's Wallet stands out with its visual spending analysis and user friendly interface. In terms of pricing, YNAB has a subscription fee, while Everydollar offers a free version with limited features. Budget Baker's Wallet also has a free option, but you may need to pay for advanced features. So, which one should you choose? If you want detailed control and goal setting, go with YNAB. For a simple, quick budgeting tool, Everydollar is your best bet. If you prefer a mix of detail and ease, Budget Baker's Wallet is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budgeting tips.